Glioblastoma is the most common malignant brain tumor in adults. Glioblastomas have a poor prognosis because they often come back after surgery, radiotherapy, or chemotherapy. But what is the reason? Why do these tumors grow so aggressively, and why are they resistant to these therapies? This question can be investigated in cell and tissue cultures. Glioblastoma cells can mimic the properties of immature neurons. Similar to neurons, they form neurite-like extensions, so-called tumor microtubes. They communicate with each other via these extensions, which can be recognized here by the yellow calcium waves that spread through the cell network. The advantage of these tumor cell networks for the tumor, they can repair themselves. Here you can see a cell in the network. If you take it out of a group of glioma cells, a cell further away, here marked with an asterisk, forms extensions to create a new one. After 60 hours, a new cell takes the place of the old one. Such repair processes are probably partly responsible for the fact that over 60% of glioblastomas come back after surgery in the same location. But what exactly stimulates the growth of these tumors and makes them spread in the brain? Neurons are a possible source of impulses. In the brain, their stimulation leads to a calcium signal in the tumor cell network, recognizable by the spread of the yellow color in the video. The animation shows how this happens. Neurons in the brain actually form functional synapses with the tumor cells. This stimulates the tumor cell and calcium waves spread. So-called AMPA receptors, a subtype of excitatory glutamate receptors, are involved. In this way, the tumor network is stimulated to grow. For individual glioblastoma cells that are not integrated into the tumor cell network, the electrical impulse also causes them to grow invasively and migrate to other brain regions. In addition, some glioblastoma cells can generate rhythmic calcium waves in the tumor cell network that constantly stimulate the tumor cell network, similar to a pacemaker, and without input from neurons. These periodically active cells are particularly well connected and are the hubs of the tumor cell network. They represent the Achilles heel of glioblastomas. If you remove or inactivate them, the tumor cell network is no longer functional, and the tumor can no longer grow properly. Tumor cells from incurable brain tumors connect to form a complex network. This is stimulated to grow by neurons in the brain and by periodically active glioblastoma cells. If this activation can be interrupted, tumor growth could be slowed or even inhibited.